What's up? I'm going to show you guys how to make the best homemade cheesecake ever. Here are all the ingredients that you will need to make the best homemade cheesecake there is out there. First, we're going to start off making vanilla wafers into the crust. Crush the vanilla wafers up in a plastic bag, Ziploc bag. Usually use like a rolling pin. Mix it with butter until it's sticky, and then we will apply the crust here, and then we will mix all of our ingredients in a bowl. I'll show you those steps. Go ahead and find my rolling pin, so I'm going to use this mug, but wafers in a bag, crush them up best as you can. If you don't have a rolling pin, try not to break your mug. Once you have it all ground up and smushed up, then you will take your stick of butter and grease your pan with your butter. Going back to the rolling pin that I had, I'm going to use that to melt my butter in the microwave. This will then, once it's melted, will then, probably not all of it, but most of it will go into the crushed up vanilla wafers, and I will mix that until it becomes sticky and you could form it and form my crust. So into the microwave with this. I went ahead and put these in the bowl, but 4 packages of cream cheese, 1 egg, 1 cup of sugar, 1 tablespoon of vanilla. Now I'm going to mix this until it's all blended together, and then I will pour it in here. I got the crust in there. It actually took about 1.5 sticks of butter, so I had to add about another 1/2 stick. And then I have the oven set for 350. I'll put it in there for 45-50 minutes until it's done in the middle. All mixed up and put into the pan. Oven at 350. Timer 45 minutes. She's in. Actually, we're going in the middle. And ready to go. It's cooked for about 25 minutes now. I'm going to do a little trick here. This is some raspberry jam. I heated it up in the microwave so that I could spread it easier. I'm going to drizzle it and then drag it through the cheesecake, the cheese portion, just so that it has a nice appearance, and then you'll be able to get hints of that raspberry flavor as well.